Any requests? Play all cross buns.
I've seen things that no one should ever see.
Sock puppets! Yeah! Shoe puppets! No! Phone puppets! No! Winter beanie puppets! Maybe. Scared because I got hair?
Who are you?
Something's wrong with my cat.
Ryan? He's like, Brian? No, Ryan.
I'm cool.
Yeah!
What the fuck? And then they had to do stab.
Hey Abby, can I use your phone to text Gina?
No.
Gina, Bobina, Fofina.
Greatest hits this fall. Should've told me earlier. I'm a cyborg. Homeboy so poor I can't even afford shoes.
Oh man, I'm burping.
Like every teenage girl across America. Cigarette, phone, shrink.
Nice phone. Girl? No.
We're here right now.
Who's that girl?
Hector's house.
Hmm.
Kid Jordan.
No one loves you.
Hi.
Gotta install.
Oh, meet that.
I wanna see a magic trick. Ta-da!